video, it's all about the eyes. I'm going to share an home remedy that I personally use on my under eyes to clear dark circles, puffy eyes, and eye bags. Now, oversleeping, fatigue, or even just staying up a few hours late can cause you to get dark under eye circles. There are, however, many other causes of dark under eye circles. However, regardless of the fact, what you need to do is to use a good under eye treatment. This remedy that I'm making is rich in vitamin K, which is a known vitamin that can help to get rid of the dark under eye circles by boosting circulation. We're also using vitamin C, which is going to help to clear the pigmentation. A combination of vitamins under the eyes will help to get rid of the dark under eye circles, but also reduce the wrinkles and fine lines under your eyes. What I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share this remedy to see if it works as well for you as it works for me. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's whip this up really quick. And at the end, I'll share a live demonstration showing you how best to use this under your eyes. So for this recipe, you're going to need a blender and a strainer. Today we're going to be using parsley, and parsley is a herb. However, it is rich in vitamin K and vitamin C, which are known to clear dark under eye circles. It is also good to use under the eyes for puffy eyes and eye bags. For this recipe, fresh parsley leaves is best. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the parsley. Now, parsley does not contain much juice, so we are going to be blending to extract the juice. So I'm going to use about 5 to 10 sprig of the parsley. And you can use any parsley. You can use the curly leaf or the flat leaf like we're using here. So what we're going to do, we wash our parsley leaves thoroughly, and then we're going to break it in small pieces for easier blending. So break your parsley. And next, let's reach for our blender. And we're going to add the parsley leaves to the blender along with the stem. Once this is done, we're going to add some liquid to this. And my liquid of choice is rose water. Rose water is hydrating to the skin. It has to balance the pH level of the skin. It is really a great water to use with the parsley for your under eyes, since it will help to smooth the skin. So we're going to pour, and you can use any of your favorite rose water brand. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure that it's not rose water essence. So we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the rose water. We're adding this to the blender. And what we're going to do next, we are going to cover and we are going to blend. Now after blending, take a look. This is what it looks like. And now we are going to strain. And just so you know, if you do not have rose water, you can brew some green tea and you can use the liquid instead of the rose water. So now let's strain. We're trying to get rid of any trash, any stem that might not be blended thoroughly. And after straining, here we have our fresh parsley juice with rose water. And this is what we're going to use to make our dark under eye circles treatment. So we're going to place this 1 tablespoon of the parsley rose water, and we're going to reach for some aloe vera gel. Today we're using some store-bought aloe vera gel. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel to the bowl with the parsley. And once this is done, we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well, totally blending the parsley with the aloe vera gel. Now if you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can choose to use it in this recipe. Extract the aloe vera gel, blend it. You can also blend it along with the parsley and the rose water, and then you strain just like we did here. And now you have aloe vera and parsley, which is amazing for your under eyes. Now after mixing,
what we're gonna do next, we are gonna add some oils to this, and my oil of choice is cucumber seed oil. This cucumber seed oil is an amazing oil to use under your eyes. You can choose to mix it with a carrier oil, or you can use it directly. However, I like to mix it with a carrier oil, and I also like to mix it in my DIY like we are making here. It helps to cool the under eyes, and it's make a perfect addition for dark under eye circles in this remedy. We're using a teaspoon of the cucumber seed oil. Pour this in. Next, I'm going to reach for some vegetable glycerin. And vegetable glycerin is very hydrating and very smoothing to the skin. So we're going to use this in this recipe. We're also using it as a preservative. And we're not going to use much of it. We just want a little, and we're using about a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. So we're going to pour the vegetable glycerin in, 1 teaspoon. And now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. So here in our bowl, we have parsley, we have rose water, we also have some cucumber seed oil, and we have some vegetable glycerin. Mix and mix well. Now once this is done, our under eye treatment is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reach for a small container, and we're going to pour this in. If you have a spray bottle, you can also pour this in. This is going to be jelly-like, guys, because of the vegetable glycerin and the aloe vera gel. So make sure to use a bottle that you can pour it easily from. Now what I like to do with this, I like to put it in the refrigerator to chill. And once it is chilled in the refrigerator, then you are going to use it under your eyes.
Now to use the remedy, you simply dip it in the solution. And once you dip it in the solution, you're just going to dab it under your eyes like this. You can also choose to use your fingers. However, I like to use a Q-tip because the Q-tip tend to hold the solution much longer. Another thing that you can do, you can soak a cotton pad and you could put it fully over your eyes like this, and you can leave it on. Especially if you have the puffy eyes, you leave it on for about 30 minutes or so. Now once you apply it under your eyes and this feels really cool and nice, then you're just gonna leave it. I like to use this at night and leave it on overnight. In the morning I just rinse off like I normally do and apply a daytime under eye cream. So definitely, guys, if you're looking for fast result, use it every night for 7 nights straight. At the end of 7 nights, you're going to notice a significant difference, and then you just continue to use it. Before you know it, your under eyes are going to be like mine, hopefully clear, bright, radiant, and glowing. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and guess what, I'm waiting for those comments. And if you also have a remedy that you use under your eyes and it works and it is working for you, then why not share it in the comment box below. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.